So for your 1.0 EcoBoost engine, Ford says that the timing belt will last 10 years or 150,000 miles. But these engines, they really don't last that much, so waiting for the official interval is not very reasonable in this case. Also, this is the belt-in-oil construction, so the belt is lubricated by oil, and the belt is integrated into the insides of the engine, and it makes it pretty hard to replace on the one hand, but on the other hand, if you don't replace it, the parts of this belt, when it degrades, they may get into the oil, they will get into the oil, and they will contaminate the oil pump and the oil filter. And if things go really bad with this contamination, your engine will just die because it will not pump the oil, it will not lubricate properly. So the good interval for replacing this timing belt along with the water pump is about 60,000 miles or 100,000 kilometers. If you're talking about the time interval, it's 6-7 years. Also, these engines, they have two belts. There is one dedicated belt for the oil pump, and it also should be replaced at the same time when you're replacing the timing belt, because if it fails, the oil pump will not work and your engine will not be lubricated, and it will of course die pretty fast. Now in independent shops, it will cost about $1,000. In a dealership, it will cost about $1,500 to replace the timing belt kit for the 1.0 EcoBoost, because the timing belt is integrated into the engine, inside the engine, it's not located outside the engine, so replacing it takes a lot of labor, and the kit itself costs quite a lot. Also, when replacing the timing belt on the 1.0 EcoBoost, you should know one thing. You should inspect the belt very carefully and see if the belt is degraded. If the belt looks bad and it has some damages on it, you should also clean the oil pump, because there are some parts of this belt may already be in the oil pump and in the oil filter. So changing the oil filter, changing oil, and also cleaning the oil pump are the steps to take if you see that this belt is in bad condition.